Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to create the Wavy RGB Distortion effect in After Effects. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. First duplicate your footage 2 times so you have 3 identical layers. Now rename them in order. Name the first layer red, the second green, and the third blue. Next apply the shift channels effect to all 3 layers. Select the red layer and set take green from and take blue from to full off, leaving only the red channel visible. Now select the green layer and do the same, but leave only the green channel enabled. Finally, select the blue layer and leave only the blue channel while turning the other 2 channels off. Once that's done, select the red and green layers only. Click toggle switches / modes and change their blend mode to screen. Now select the red layer again and apply the turbulent displace effect. Change the displacement type to twist, set the amount to 10. Next hold Alt on your keyboard and click the evolution stopwatch to enable an expression. Type time *100. This makes the evolution animate automatically over time, so you don't have to create keyframes manually. Let's preview the result. It already looks good. The Wavy RGB distortion effect is working, but I want to add a little more wave movement. For that, I'll use my AM Film Wavy Shake preset because it already has the wave effect we're looking for. I will hold Alt and stretch the preset layer to match the length of the other 3 layers. Next delete the directional blur and motion tile effects from the preset so we're left with only the wave effect. If the wave feels too strong, simply reduce the amount to around 15 and the size to 75. Now let's preview the final result one more time, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.